Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to take the chapter from your literature part. There you have two books. One is Beehive and another one is Moments. And today the chapter which I have taken is from The Lost Child. It is from your Moments book. Now the every title and every topic of the story describes and having a meaning in itself. Now here the title The Lost Child defines the child is lost. It is have a surface meaning the child is being lost in a fear. Now this chapter is written by Mulk Raj Anand, English novelist, born in 1905, and this story is published in 1934. Mulk Raj Anand honored with a civilian award of Padma Bhushan in 1968 and Sahitya Academy Award. Now, uh, this story this is the story about a child who goes to a fair with his parents. He is very happy and excited and wants the sweets and toys in the fair, and but his parents don't allow him to buy them. Every time they refused him to buy. Now let's start the chapter. In this chapter, the narrator, the story narrates the plight of the child who got lost in a carnival or a fair. Basically, this is the heart-touching story with a sad ending. So I want to say one thing, that be sure to spend some quality time with your parents while you can, because one day when you look up from your busy life schedule, they won't be there anymore. So spend your time with your parents. So let's start the chapter. It was the festival of spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in a bamboo and bullock carts. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over there with life and laughter. Now, the chapter starting with the season of a spring. In this season, people feels very happy because they are now, because the harsh winter is over. बिकॉज विंटर जो होती है बहुत हम परेशान हो जाते हैं ठंड में. सो द हार्श विंटर इज़ ओवर. द विंटरी शेड्स ऑफ नैरो लैंड मीन्स द हार्श विंटर इज़ ओवर एंड द पीपल केम आउट फ्रॉम देयर हाउसेज हैप्पीली in a colorful clothes because they are going to a fair. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in a bamboo and bullock carts. Now we can say the people of the village are poor. They are not rich because some of them are walking and some of them are riding on horses, and some of them are being in a bamboo cart and going towards the fair. Now there were a little boy ran between his father's leg. Okay, the most important character or the main character of the chapter is the little boy. Now he is running between his father's leg. Now brimming over with the life and laughter. It means he is overjoyed because he is going to fair. Okay students, now remaining chapter, the explanation of chapter will be continued in our next video.